Welcome the our channel. Today we how to disable Airtable notification triggers for automations, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin disabling notification triggers in Airtable automations, first, open your Airtable base. Locate the automation section in the left sidebar of your workspace. Click on the Automations tab to view all the existing automations. Select the automation you want to modify by clicking on its name. Once the automation opens, look for the Triggers section at the top of the screen. Identify the specific trigger that currently sends notifications. Click on the trigger to view its settings. Find the option that states Send Notification or similar wording. Uncheck or toggle off this option to disable the notification for that trigger. After making your adjustments, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click on the Done button to save the changes to the trigger settings. To implement these changes, ensure that you test the automation afterward. You can do this by clicking on the Run Test button, usually located near the top of the automation window. Confirm that the notification no longer appears during the test. If you need to disable notifications for additional triggers, repeat this process for each one. Once all desired notifications are disabled, you can close the automation settings. Your changes will be automatically saved, ensuring no notifications will be sent based on the triggers you modified. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.